Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on nets worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we can practice drawing some 3D objects, and then we can also practice sketching the net for each of those objects. Now there is a lesson on this particular topic, so if you're not sure what to do, all you have to do for the next slide, there is a direction. It'll tell you to click on a link, and when you click on that link it'll take you to the lesson and it will explain exactly what to do. So here the direction is sketch each of the following 3D objects. For each 3D object, sketch a suitable net. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we have 8 of those objects. Now in the lesson I mentioned that this topic is very, very important in real life, because in particular in the metal industries, in a lot of metalwork industries, these 3D objects are formed by welding faces together. For example, we know that the cube has 6 square faces, but before that cube is formed, you have to have those flat faces. You have to manufacture them, cut them out, make sure they're perfectly equal, and then you bend them and weld them together. And it's the same with each one of these 3D objects. So that's why nets are very important in real life. Now all you have to do is decide what sort of object is this and what are the faces like. So we know the cube has 6 equal faces. The square prism, that's quite straightforward. That has 2 squares, say for the base on the top, and then the other 6 faces are rectangles. But once you sketch each of these objects, then you can clearly see the nature of each of the faces, and that actually helps you draw the net. So we have the triangular pyramid. Now remember, with pyramids we normally have triangles involved, so keep that in mind. With the cylinder, okay, we have some curves here, so there are some circles involved and also a curve. And with the cone, there's also a circle and a curve. So remember, there is a link on the next page. If you're not sure what to do, just click on the link and that gives you an idea what to do. So this video has presented just a simple worksheet where we can practice sketching 3D objects, and then we actually sketch a net for each of the objects.